In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer tank on this Hyundai Sonata. It sits behind the front bumper, which we will have to remove to get to this, so let's get started. Below the vehicle, on the corner of the bumper cover, there will be two push clips we have to remove. Mine have Phillips head cutouts in the center, so I can unscrew the center and then pop the rest out. Now there's one towards the front, and there will be another one right here. Mine is actually broken, so there's nothing for me to undo, but for you, remove the push clip as well. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. On each corner of the bumper cover where it meets the fender, you'll see a little cutout in the fender liner. Take a 10mm socket and remove the bolt that holds these two together. Pull this away. Now do the same to the other side. At the top right next to the headlights, we have two things to remove, a 10mm headed bolt and a push clip. Do the same to the other side. Now grab onto the bumper cover, pull it out from the corners and off of this piece here. And off it comes. The washer tank is held on with two mounting bolts, a 10mm headed bolt on each side. Up here, there is a bolt, but the tank is actually slotted, so it'll slide out of here. And all that's connected to it is the hose and the two electrical connectors. Let's start by unplugging this electrical connector for the level sensor. Press on the tab, pull this out. Unplugging the hose from the pump will actually cause the pump to leak fluid if there is any left in your tank. So when you do this, I recommend having something to plug it up with, or just let it drain into something that you can use to recycle this fluid and put it back in your new tank. I'm going to take this, cover that back up, and there we go. The hose won't necessarily leak much, if any at all, but the pump will. Unplug the connector for the pump, and remove the hose off of its retainer. Let's remove one of the 10mm bolts. This is the one that sits further in on the inside part, and the one on the outside. At the top of the washer tank, there's going to be a wiring harness. Unclip that. Use a trim tool. Now grab the washer tank, slide it forward, down, and out. There it is. Take the new washer tank, put it up in position. Make sure you line it up back here where it slides in. Resecure the wiring harness. And let's put the two bolts back in. Snug them both up. Plug everything back in. The pump, make sure that clicks. The level sensor, make sure that clicks. And bring the hose back in, reconnect that, and resecure it on the reservoir. Bring the bumper cover back in. Careful of your headlights and the fender, of course, so you don't scratch anything. Line everything up. Make sure all of this fits on correctly. Reinstall the screw that holds the bumper cover on at the top. Snug it up and put this push clip back in. Do the same on the other side. On the corners, let's resecure the bumper cover with the 10mm headed screws. Tighten that up. Do the same to the other side. And underneath, let's reinstall the push clips that we removed. There are two, one towards the front and one right on the side here. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.